Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Montego Bay and we're going to give you a tour of Ironshore, one of the nicest neighborhoods you will find in Jamaica. Ironshore is one of the most prominent and rapidly developing suburbs of Montego Bay, Jamaica's second city and major tourism hub. Located just east of the city centre in the parish of St. James, Ironshore has evolved from a quiet residential area into a vibrant mix of upscale housing, commercial centres and recreational facilities. With its strategic location, rising real estate values and growing population of professionals and expatriates, Ironshore now plays a key role in the urban and economic landscape of Western Jamaica. One of Ironshore's greatest strengths is its location. It sits just minutes away from the Sangster International Airport, major beaches, and the North Coast Highway, making it highly accessible for both locals and visitors. Also, it will have access to the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. This convenience has made the area attractive for developers, leading to the construction of several gated communities and modern townhouses. Homes in Ironshore often boast sea views, private pools, and access to high-end amenities, features that have helped establish it as a prime area for second home buyers and returning Jamaicans. The heart of the community lies in the Witter Village complex, a bustling commercial hub that offers shopping, entertainment, dining, and essential services. It includes everything from spa and supermarkets to gyms, pharmacies, a casino, and a bowling alley. As Jamaica's urban centers continue to expand, Ironshore represents a model of modern suburban development, balancing residential comfort with commercial convenience. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.